This is the Wolf Chalet at Parc Omega in Quebec near Montebello, and this is the chalet which you can hire where you are directly onto the wolf enclosure, so you can see the wolves from the comfort of your accommodation. This particular cabin is Arctique, so I will show you now inside and have a tour of this amazing accommodation. So that is the wolf enclosure directly ahead of us, and all the cabins are really beautifully specced out, so they're all quite new, really nice accommodation, air conditioning. You've got microwave, nice nice worktops, sink, oven, fridge and freezer, and in these cupboards you've got things like, plates and bowls and cutlery. Got a kettle, toaster, coffee machine, so it's all very well equipped. The water from the mains here isn't drinkable, but it does come supplied with a water machine, so that's good. So that's the enclosure, and the seating area is here. You've also got a little outside seating area, so it's lovely and cool and air conditioned in here at the moment, but when I come out through here, this is actually open to the air, but obviously not open to the wolf enclosure. This has still got glass in front of us. It's very clean glass, which makes it a strange illusion. And what is incredible about this particular one, Arctique, is, if you see, just over there, that is the wolf den. And we're visiting here in June 2021, and they've actually got cubs at the moment, so that's really exciting to see those, and we're going to get a really good view of those hopefully later. So just show you this little outside enclosure, and then that's open to the front of the house, and you've got some nice air coming in. This is the bathroom. So in here, obviously, we have a toilet and a sink, and there's a very large, very nice, powerful, warm walk-in shower, and no bath, but that's fine, and some storage here in the corner. And this here is mirrors and also a window, so it doubles up shutters and mirrors. We've got one bedroom on the ground floor. Again, really nice quality bedding, and they've done this all very well. So one bedroom there. And as we go upstairs, and there's been a bit of a fight over this because the kids really want to be up here. We haven't decided who's going to be where yet. Up here, you've got a double on that side and a double on that side, and then this amazing view of the wolf enclosure. So that's where they want to be, so they get to see the pups and the wolves, and it's going to be an amazing evening here.
We might be able to see which type of dog that is. Not dog, wolf. Yes, but
Just like a big dog. Careful, careful. You're speaking, and then not the computer. No, just leave.
What the?